espresso, right? Naturally, in a glass beer mug, because that's how it's meant to be. Work my dirt espresso martini life.
This is the bear here, Tegan here.
I've been here before.
The crime I'm serving forever. Being strong, your kind, I need help with this struggle. Being afraid is a crime. We hang side by side at the swinging party time. Pavement, losing propositions, quitting school and going to work and never going fishing. Water all around, never learn how to swim now. If being wrong's a crime, I'm serving forever. Being strong's your kind, and I need help here with this feather.
Oh no.
If being afraid is a crime, we hang side by side.
It's a hot quality camera, believe me.
Hey, my roommate.
At the swinging party down the line. Bring your own lampshades somewhere there's a party. Here it's never ending, can't remember when it started. Passing on the lampshades, there'll be plenty of
Story time. Siesta what is it? Doki Doki Literature Club. Doki Doki Literature Club. And this fucking gooner comes up behind us in Emerson Common Room, and he's like, is that Doki Doki Literature Club? And we're like, yeah. And he's like, wait, oh, you guys are like voice acting? Are you guys like voice actors? And Maddie fucking over there becomes a liar, and she starts fucking lying. She's just capping her ass off. She's really good though, and he's believing it. She's saying about it. He's like, we're all voice acting with her, and she's like, she wants to sing. I don't know. And then he's like talking about how he does it, and he makes bank from it, which like good for him, you know. But he was a gooner. He kept doing gooner things.
This cross condition that's on fire, bro. Ooh, yeah.